The 2026 Bürstner Papillon is a bold return to essentials. This entry-level campervan starts at just €40,000 and is built on the Citroën Jumper with a 120 horsepower engine. At a time when van prices often begin around €60,000, the Papillon resets expectations. Designed for simplicity and value, it replaces luxury with smart functionality. There's no built-in fridge, just space for a 32-liter electric cooler. A fixed fridge is planned for later. The kitchen includes a single-plate induction cooktop. No gas locker, just efficient electric cooking. The bathroom is compact and practical, featuring a folding sink, a shower, and a toilet tucked beneath the bed. You can choose a cassette, composting, or dry separation toilet. No plumbing or external cutouts required. Interior options include light or dark wood finishes and 2 fabric styles, all at no extra cost. Premium packages add features like upgraded seating, chassis options, heating, and trim, all while keeping the total price under €55,000. The Papillon is a smart, streamlined campervan. It's built for essential comfort, ideal for adventurers who value simplicity and savings.